With fentanyl affecting more people, Colorado schools now are taking an important step to protect students.
And that includes stocking up on naloxone, a medication that can reverse the effects of an overdose. As Denver 7's CB Cotton is finding out, more and more districts are requesting this life-saving treatment.
Like most parents, Rachel Gray keeps a watchful eye as her son heads to sports practice. What she can't see worries her most.
Those sort of drugs are available, and they are to our young kids in Denver.
Drugs like fentanyl, the deadly synthetic opioid, has made headlines over the past year. This mom, who's also a physician, always hoped her child's school would be prepared.
They need to have access to these quick-acting reversal agents, and it could definitely save a life.
Access to naloxone starts for Denver Public Schools in the coming week.
We are going to be starting by distributing Narcan or naloxone to some of our nurses and providing training for them so that we have this resource accessible in our middle and high schools.
Julie Rotier-Lukens is a program leader for Denver Public Schools. She says it's about readiness.
Just as we have AEDs available and EpiPens available in our health offices, we want to ensure that we have naloxone available now for our nurses in the off chance that we have an emergency. We're hoping that we can be as prepared as possible.
The state public health department says DPS is one of 70 school districts asking for kits from the state's naloxone bulk purchase fund in order to be prepared. Just 6 months ago, only 14 districts had requested it.
Fentanyl overdose deaths are common enough that people's attention is now very high.
CU professor Robert Valek helps lead statewide efforts to make opioid reversal drugs more accessible. He says schools and other public places are thinking with strategy.
Some places are now starting to either contemplate or move from contemplation into action to co-locate naloxone with the AEDs.
It's increasingly more and more accessible in the communities, and it's about time that the schools have it.
In Denver, I'm CB Cotton, Denver 7.
Digging deeper here, reducing harm from fentanyl also includes protecting the drug supply chain. In August, the FDA released a new framework for curbing and preventing overdoses, and it includes preventing sales of illegal and counterfeit pills online, creating enhanced screening methods at international mail facilities, and increasing enforcement against counterfeit drug products.